Day 1, you had $0 and 30 days to make money online. No prior audience, no fancy tools. The first 10 seconds show flashes, screenshots of $8.72, a rejection email, a midnight laptop, and a surprised smile. I tried 5 ways to earn. Here's what actually happened. Challenge setup. Rules are simple. No upfront investment beyond $50 if needed. Only online methods. 30 days on the clock. You film your starting point, a shaky bank balance, basic laptop, and a few skills you barely trusted: writing, basic design, and stubborn persistence. Method 1. Freelancing. You thought quick gigs would be instant. Expectation: land a high-paying client in a day. Reality: you send 30 proposals, get 3 replies, win 1 job at $40. Mistakes: generic pitches, underpricing, saying yes to scope creep. Wins: the $40 job taught you how to scope and ask for milestones. Time spent: long evenings refining pitches. Lesson: freelancing pays reliably, but it's slow at first and scales with reputation, not hustle alone. Method 2. Print on demand. Etsy. Expectation: upload designs, watch sales roll in. Reality: 2 sales worth $12 total after promotional mishaps. Mistakes: poor niche research, blurry mock-ups, no SEO. What worked? A specific, seasonal design picked up traction after you fixed keywords and ran free cross-posts. Time spent: a few creative afternoons, trial and error with listings. Lesson: small wins are possible quickly, but results are inconsistent without product-market fit. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Expectation: add a link, people click, you earn. Reality: almost 0 clicks until you paired a genuine review with a simple case study post. Earnings: $25 from a single referral after you built trust. Mistakes: pushing products without context, unclear value proposition. What changed? Authentic testing and a clear "why this helped me" line. Lesson: affiliate works when you give proof, not hype. Method 4. Short video content. YouTube automation, TikTok. Expectation: viral overnight. Reality: a slow burn. 1 clip hit modest engagement, $60 worth of ad revenue over 2 weeks, and a small uptick in freelance leads. Mistakes: inconsistent thumbnails, no pattern. Wins: 1 explainer-style video with clear benefit hooked viewers. Time spent: batching short scripts and repurposing clips. Lesson: content builds an audience and indirect income, but it demands consistency. Method 5. Selling digital products. Expectation: passive sales from templates and ebooks. Reality: first week, 0 sales. Second week, a template sold for $9 and a bundle sale for $27. Mistakes: overcomplicating the product, no clear target. Wins: a tidy Notion template solved a real problem and sold after targeted sharing in a small community. Lesson: digital products scale but need a focused niche and an eager first customer. Struggles and reality check. You face rejections, low pay, confusing platforms, and the tedious time versus money trade-off. You almost quit on day 12. The savings dipped, the energy faded, and an overnight server error erased a listing. That "I almost quit" moment forced a reset. Rest, prioritize, and simplify. Showing those nights and the faint glow of a laptop makes the journey honest, not glossy. Results breakdown, exactish. Total time logged, 20 hours. Earnings per method. Freelance, $320. Print on demand, $12. Affiliate, $25. Short videos, $60. Digital products, $36. Rank them. Best for beginners, freelancing. Fastest path to money if you can deliver. Fastest money, freelance gigs. Most scalable, digital products and content. Most unpredictable, print on demand and affiliate, unless paired with strong content. Final insight: what actually works? Do one thing well. Chunk effort into one method with real feedback loops. Earn, iterate, reinvest time. Overhyped? Quick scaling, set it and forget it promises for print-on-demand and affiliate links without audience. What you'd focus on if starting again. 1. Freelance to cover immediate needs. 2. Build content to create trust and funnels. 3. Launch a simple digital product that solves a single painful problem. Practical next steps. Choose one skill to sell this week, make one short content piece to test interest, and create one simple digital item to validate demand. Use a timer. Day 1 to day 30 updates help you make micro decisions and keep momentum. Show dashboards, raw screenshots of sales pages, bank notifications, and analytics to prove what's real. Share a free starter template so viewers can skip common mistakes and get a fast win. Closing pulse. The truth isn't dramatic. It's steady curiosity, honest testing, and tiny wins that compound. You didn't become rich in 30 days, but you built a repeatable system, learned what sucks and what scales, and earned real money while learning. If you try this, track everything, be ruthless with distractions, and treat experiments like mini classes. Test, learn, repeat.